Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you why you can't repost on TikTok. So let's fix that. If you can't repost on TikTok, it's usually not a bug. It's one of a few common restrictions or settings getting in the way. So here's what's actually going on and how to fix it fast. Now, some creators turn off reposting for their videos. So you can't force this. Try reposting a different video. If the button shows up there, this is the issue. Now, for the second reason is your app is outdated. So, older versions of TikTok can glitch or hide features. So, to fix this, go to App Store and search for TikTok. Open it. Now, if you see an update button or option, tap on that to update TikTok. And once done, so go back to TikTok, open it again, and try to repost a video and see if it works. Now, for the third reason, feature may not be available in your region. So, TikTok rolls out features slowly, and some areas don't get reposting immediately. So to fix this, wait for the rollout or switch account region. But this is not always reliable. Now for the fourth reason, you're trying to repost your own video. So TikTok doesn't let you repost your own content. So to fix this, you can click on the share icon and tap on copy link or re-upload instead. Now for the fifth reason, it might be an app glitch or cache issue. So sometimes the repost button just disappears due to a temporary bug. So to fix this, restart the app. So close it and reopen it again. You can also clear cache. So click on your profile at the bottom right. Click on the three lines at the top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and look for free up space. Then tap on that and tap on cache. So tap on clear next to it. So tap on clear again to confirm the action. Now log out and back in. So to log out, click on the three lines at the top right, go to settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on log out, confirm the action, and log back in and see if that works. Now, for the next reason, it might be your account has violations. Some features like reposting can be limited. So, to check this, you can go to settings, click on your profile at the bottom right, click on the three lines at the top right, and go to settings and privacy. Go to account and check your account status. So, avoid spam actions or avoid too many reposts quickly. So, just a quick recap: update your TikTok, try another video, restart the app, clear cache, and check account status. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.